What's up, guys? We are working on the Hudson pickup hood today. If you heard us talk about this hood before, you know it's a little bit of a problem child on this car, so we're just adding some bracing before we slice it right down the middle and get to fit the fenders and everywhere else correctly. So we'll see how it turns out. We got the hood cut down the center. We got everything clamped where we want it. Now Justin's just gonna weld up the center, and then it's on to the next part. All right, the center cut and the hood is all tacked together. Justin's gonna go and start hammering things out, and we'll get it final welded and move on.
Okay.
Goodbye. Justin's got the center weld pretty much welded up. He's down there finishing some stuff right now. Then we're gonna start moving around, playing with the fitment of the hood, try to get our gaps correct, and yeah, just keep on going. Got the hood where we want it to start trimming and cutting the fenders to fit, and Justin will go ahead and polish all this up when we get the fenders where we want them, so we can just go about everything at once. But our gaps are looking much better. The body lines are matching up a lot closer. Cowl fits a lot better, so we're just gonna keep on moving on.